Introducing the letter A. A is for apple, yellow, green, or red. A is for an acrobat who flies overhead. A is for an ant crawling on the ground. A is for an ambulance speeding across town. A is for alligator, an astronaut too. A is for asking questions about me or you. What else starts with the letter A? How about ash? An antler works too. Axe starts with A. Can attic be part of the crew? Can you think of words that start with the A sound? Quietly think. Now turn and talk to your neighbor. Great job! Let's write the letter A. Around like a C, up, down. Around like a C, up, down. Around like a C, up, down. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Romp. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, Romp.